All right, in this problem, it's all about transformations of functions. So we got a quadratic function, y equals f of x. It is plotted on a graph, and the vertex of the resulting parabola is 4, 6. So real quick, let's just make sense of that. So what we have is we have a graph. Over here, 4 over, 6 up, somewhere about that spot is our vertex to our parabola. Parabolas are quadratic equations. They either look like this or it could look like that. But what we do know is the low or the high point is right at 4, 6. And what we're being asked about in this problem is that what is the vertex of the function defined as g of x equals f of opposite x minus 3. So what we are doing is we're taking this parabola and we are transforming it, meaning we're changing it in some way. Specifically, we're taking what was f of x, the new function g of x is going to be opposite of f of x. That's what this negative in here is saying. So it's going to be the opposite. So if we were at 4, 6, the opposite of that for x, well, 4 is positive. When we transform this, it's going to end up over here at negative 4, positive 6. So if we were dealing with, let's just erase this one up here. Let's say this was what the original parabola comes out looking like. Well, when they say g of x is equal to opposite of x of f of x, we're just taking the opposite x value. 4, 6 becomes negative 4, 6. So now our parabola looks like that. That's the transformation that just took place. But we still have minus 3 at the end here. That minus 3 is going to affect the y value of your coordinate. We're at negative 4, 6, and we are dropping 3. So when I have negative 4, 6, I'm going to copy that down, and then I'm going to say, that's only this part. So we went from 4, 6 to negative 4, 6. There's your opposite of x. But now we got to subtract 3 from my y value. So this is going to end up at negative 4, 3. So the question was, what is the vertex of the function defined as g of x equals f of opposite x minus 3? Well, you would end up at negative 4, 3. So we would flip to the other side over here, and then we would drop this down 1, 2, 3 spaces. So your new parabola would end up right there. Hopefully this makes sense. Transformation of functions can be difficult to read. Understanding what this is saying, just practice them. Use your notes, use your answers in the back of the book to make sure you're doing them correctly, and just break them up piece by piece by piece. Do the 2 parts in this problem. Step 1, change your x to the opposite. Step 2, change your y by dropping it down 3 values. Hopefully this makes sense. Study hard and good luck on your upcoming test.